Oh no. We go to military right now.
Military.
Let's go military.
Yeah. Go. Go to Novo.
Okay.
Always lots of horn. Gotta do horn. Here, more horn.
Did anyone drop down here? I think we should get you some help.
Yeah. Here's good.
Just loot this area real quick.
Here we go.
Oh, sweet handgun. That's what I needed. It's a really awesome hat here if anyone wants it.
Ooh, what color?
It's white.
Really? Why is there nothing up here?
If anyone sees an extra backpack, I could definitely use one.
Okay, let's go.
I'm afraid to jump out of this window that I died. No, okay.
Okay, vehicle's coming.
God, don't hit me. Don't hit me. I'm coming inside.
Go, vehicle. US right behind us.
Shit, we're dead.
Save me, Sean!
Oh shit! I've got a first aid kit for you, I think.
I'm trying to save you. I'm trying to save him.
Okay, just...
They're going. They're leaving them. Oh no, they're gonna fucking come and knock the vehicle.
Back up. Fuck.
Holy
He
shit.
missed you guys. Shoot him!
No.
I have ammo. Here, come to me. What the fuck is going on, man? Oh my god. You guys are horrible.
Stop moving, Jamie, stop moving.
You take off all your clothes.
What are you doing? You killed all the... Fuck you, dude! Fuck you, man! Oh, what the fuck just happened? How am I alive right now?
Hey, we killed all of them.
Oh, how did you do that?
What? Drive into Milta.
Someone's just gonna get on the bridge and there's gonna be bodies all over the place.
Just park.
Just hit the wall. All you have to do is hit the wall.
Fuck you, man! Fuck you, dude! I'm coming to kill you! You bitches!
Go there and punch him.
Fuck you, man! Man, fuck you, dude! Fight me like a real man! Fight me like a real man! Fuck you!
Oh shit. I got 3 kills. 3 kills.
And one.